Alright guys, welcome again to another DIY repair. Here, what do we got here? We got a Samsung repair. The ice maker quit working, so we're gonna put a new ice maker here. The ice maker is actually located on the freezer. The ice maker needs to be replaced. Alright, so if you stay till the end, you guys get to see how to test the ice maker. So this here is where you remove the screws there, located on the bottom. And there's going to be one cable. So that right there is where the water gets dispensed into the ice maker. This unit here is not at all. It does not have a water dispenser, but yeah, that's the cable that plugs into the refrigerator. That's what tells the ice maker when to make ice, when to dispense the ice. But yeah, it's a nice one. So here I'm actually holding the button on it here for 5 seconds. What you got to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're gonna hear a little bell ring. And then here you see how the ice maker is actually cycling. So that's right there. See how it's twisting. So that's usually how the ice maker will check. The old one was actually halfway, like it was ready to drop the ice, but it got stuck. It got stuck halfway. So and then you're gonna see it here carefully. You see the water coming in. That's how it fills up the water into the ice tray. So yeah, here is the way that that's the ice maker, how to test it. Okay, so on the water filter here, how to get the model number from the filter, you can actually look it up online with your model. But here's the ice maker here. The ice maker here, that's how that little button I was holding, that's right there where you do it. Alright guys, well stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, make sure you help the channel grow. And I'll continue making more videos. Thank you for the support. That I feel very appreciated. Alright, stay safe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.